All right, today we're talking about one of my favorite companies, the Iowa Beard Company. We're talking about Dutchman, which is their newest scent release to the permanent lineup. Justin's been doing a lot of special limited edition runs, but I think he's about to get too busy where he can't do that. But we also have a big announcement in that we have a new carrier blend for the oils. All right, that made me sad when Justin first told me about he was changing his blend up or thinking about changing it, and he sent me out some stuff to try. But I know Justin wouldn't put anything out unless it was really good. But I really loved his original blend, which was jojoba, grapeseed, argan, vitamin E, and castor. It worked exceptionally well for my beard, both the oil and the butter. But I know he wanted to change the grape seed out. So what do? Do like a lot of these other companies have been doing is you kind of reformulate, you rebrand, you try to improve yourself here and there without making changes all the time. So this has been a while in the making. So we now have a new blend, which is jojoba, sweet almond, coconut, sunflower, argan, vitamin E, and castor. All right, so we took out the grape seed, but also added in sweet almond and coconut and sunflower for replacement for that. And it works exceptionally well, just as good. I can't tell a whole lot of difference. Maybe the new one's better, maybe they're equal, but it's greater than or equal to the original blend, in my opinion. You guys have to check that out and see. By the way, I do have an affiliate code, Beards and Banjos 15. Will save you 15%. And the prices have not changed. So oil is still $16. A 4-ounce butter, which is kind of mixed together, blended, whipped, if you will. It's not highly whipped, so it's still pretty dense. That 4-ounce tub is going to last you a long time. It's $21. And then you can get an oil butter for $32 and a trio oil balm butter for $45 before you get your 15% off with the Beards and Banjos 15. So excellent prices, excellent quality products. And his original butter did not have grapeseed in it anyway. So you didn't have to worry about that. So it was, and still is, mango butter, shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and then your fragrance blends. All right, so wonderful products. Now we're going to talk about these scents a little bit. Last year when Justin came out with Black Pearl, I think that was the first one with everybody who went, oh, this is something good. So Black Pearl was really good. It was a summertime kind of scent, like a tropical teakwood kind of scent. And now we've got Dutchman, and that goes right along with it. That's still, I would call them siblings. I think I might like Dutchman just a little bit better. It's Black Oak Currant, Cool Water, Malibu Rum, Tobacco, teakwood, and some sweetness. And I like the sweetness that he puts on a lot of his scents. It's not overly strong. It's not in your face. It's just a nice scent that's got some of that tropical goodness to it, but not too much cool water. It's not really cologne at all. There's not too much tobacco or teakwood. It's all very blended very nicely to what I like. So you definitely should pick up Dutchman. You definitely should try out the new oil blend. By the way, you can get this new oil blend in any of the scents. If you really like the old blend, it's still available too. I'm not sure how long he can kind of balance both of those. Maybe he's going to wait till he runs out of old labels before he switches it out. But if you really like the old blend, time to stock up on that. Definitely give the new blend a try. And let me know in the comments if you tried that new blend or if you really like the old blend. Let me know about all that. Also, what your favorite scents are. I've done lots of videos that go over that. I know there's another one coming. I'm not going to turn this label around, but there's another one coming that's going to be a really good summertime scent. And then you can always pick up my collaboration, Hawthorne, which has got a little bit of grapefruit and just a nice clean scent to that I really do enjoy. So that one, you could consider that a spring kind of summer scent, if you will, even though there's no really strong fruit besides the grapefruit in it that you get. But lots of great options, lots of great scents, and they all work well for me, and I hope they work well for you. And as always, appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you soon.